Hi, welcome to Husqvarna at BTME 2026. Welcome to the Husqvarna at the AIG Women's Open 2025 and how we did it. So really pleased to see a full and busy room here. Essentially what we achieved here is the first major tournament to be cut by robotic mowers. From that first meeting, where we discussed it in April and then we got the sign off in May, it was actually a very short window to turn this around. And then I visited in April. Even me from Husqvarna, I was saying to you, because I couldn't believe the quality of the fairways, I was saying, are we cutting this? And you're like, yeah, that's your machine doing that. It just looked stunning.
Hello and good afternoon, everybody. Welcome along to the Husqvarna stand at BTME. Hope we've had a good day so far. Obviously a wonderful event for the golf and turf industry. You may have heard in the news over the last few days that Husqvarna will be the new title sponsor of the British Masters hosted by Sir Nick Faldo in 2026. We are all very excited. We do have the trophy here, so please we'd like you to invite you to come and take a few selfies.
Obviously I have areas that are quiet on our course where we can't mow when there's customers around, rental houses, the restaurant, etc. So I'd love to have those areas done automatically so we don't have to worry about it.
This year we've got new features coming out such as the optical stuff on some of the smaller machines, and we've also got like the 4G reference station, so that's really exciting. It just allows us to place robotics in places where there previously hasn't been the infrastructure for it. It just allows us a lot more freedom when it comes to installation.
Thanks to everyone that came to see us today. Husqvarna looks forward to welcoming you to the Husqvarna British Masters 2026.